So you're interested in putting on some clean size. You want to join us, you want to come see us to put on some good clean muscle. Or you've already done our shred program and now you're looking to invest in yourself and pack on some muscle, yeah? So this is the phase two, right? This is the phase two of your transformation, generally speaking. Even if you've started and you're a bit slim, you've kind of already done phase one in your own way. So this is called the Body Sculpt program, right? This is 16 weeks. It can range anywhere between 12 and 20 weeks, but generally speaking, 16 weeks is what most people will benefit from. 16 weeks of high calories, 16 weeks of lifting heavy, 16 weeks of just getting absolutely strong and muscular. That's going to be the goal. So please, when you come and do this, you got to be mentally prepared to put yourself through 16 weeks of consistency, 16 weeks of effort, 16 weeks of hard work, 16 weeks of honesty, 16 weeks of just having the goal ready in your mind, and nothing should stop you. So this phase is for both men and women. You can both benefit from it. So women think that they don't need to lift weight. It's the opposite. Women need weights more than men. What lifting heavy and going through a phase where you put on muscle allows you to speed up your metabolism. So for every pound of muscle you gain, for every pound of muscle you gain, your body speeds up and it needs 50 calories a day extra. So imagine as a woman or a man, you put on 5 pounds of muscle in 16 weeks. That's your metabolism speeded up by 250 calories a day. So what that means is if you're currently eating 1400 calories a day, you need 1650. If you're a man, if you're having 2200 calories a day, guess what? You now have speeded up your metabolism. You need 2450 calories a day. So it's the single best thing you can do because it means your dieting is going to be easier. It'll help you keep your weight off easier. So it's something you actually need to do whether you like it or not. You need to pack on the muscle. And for men, obviously, you need to be strong as a man. You shouldn't be weak. You want to get big, you want to get strong, you want to get jacked, you want to know how to lift weights. So this is the program for you. We will teach you in 16 weeks how to do it, how to pack on mass. You might know how to lose weight. This is a different ball game. To put muscle on, you need to have patience. You need to know exactly what exercises to do, when to do. We'll explain more. So of course, this is the muscle building phase. You have a shred phase and you have a muscle building phase. This is your muscle building phase. We'll be using a mixture of high reps, low reps, different movements, pausing, spot pressing, Lawson pressing, touch and go pressing, machines, Smith, just so much variety you'll be using. It's insane and it's so fun as well. Once you get a grasp of it, it's the best thing you could do. Of course, you'll be coming in to see us, so we'll be teaching all this in the 16 weeks. Also, at the same time, on the app, you will see your progression. You'll be logging your progression. We'll be changing up your movements when we need to make sure you keep progressing. We'll be taking measurements. You'll be measuring yourself, uploading your pictures every week. So you can see the difference between week 1 and week 16. You expect to gain some weight around on the scale, some weight on the scale, but at the same time, even though you're getting heavier on the scale, you'll be getting leaner. And that's the beauty about weight training. Muscle is dense. So you will pack on some weight on the scale, maybe not a lot. For a man, during the 16 weeks, you can expect to gain 8-9 pounds of muscle. For a woman, maybe 4-5 pounds. But the beauty is you get to enjoy your food and look good. You'll put on shape, you'll put on firmness in the right areas. So whatever's soft and saggy at the moment will firm up. Whether you're a man or a woman, it's something you actually need to do. And then when you do decide to shred next time, you look even better. Remember, guys, it's a lifestyle. It's not just go to the gym and then you're done. This is unfortunately something you've got to do for the rest of your life. However, during the 16 weeks, we will educate you so you can fly for your own. We will teach you how to program. You'll know which rep ranges to do, which exercises are the best for you. If you can't do a pull-up, you'll know how to build pull-up. Then you could pass this on to other people, friends, family members. Do you know what I mean? So it's so important. So what can you expect physically? The changes. What kind of changes will you expect physically? Right, we'll tell you now. If you're a man, you expect to gain a couple of inches on your arms, a couple of inches on your shoulders. Your back will have shape. It'll be like a wider back with a small waist. Obviously, your chest. In a sense, every single thing. All your body parts will be more enhanced, and that's the goal. You'll definitely be stronger. You're looking at up to 20 kilos stronger on each lift, maybe even 30 in some cases. Just more definition. Your midsection should tone up if you're on the diet properly. In 16 weeks, it's just epic transformation, and that's what you're after, aren't you? You don't want to. You wasted time before in the gym. You've spent years wasting your time on in out in out. This is the thing when you pay someone. We're paying us 16 weeks. It comes with a promise. we'll get it done. You've got 10 years worth of experience, 7, 8 years worth of big mistakes what I've made, which I wish I could, if I had a trainer, I could have rectified those mistakes, saved time. When you're paying us, you save time, and basically that's what it is. So mentally, you need to be prepared to train up to 5 times a week. You'll be seeing us in our private facility 3 times a week. And the other 2 days are optional. If you want to go into the gym, we could give you the program. In fact, it's something you should be doing during the 16 days is to try and go 16 weeks. Sorry, you need to be able to go into the gym quite often. Okay, like I said, 3 days, but those are compulsory. That's the PT sessions you're paying for. It'll be a small group to help motivate each other. When you've got a small group of people, it's a bigger push because you know there's a bit of a competition. You're all at the same starting point. And if you, instead of going into the gym after you've done that 3 days with us, if you want to do something at home, we can help you with that as well. So, of course, we will set you these targets at home. You need to be weighing yourself. We'll give you a target for your weighing. We'll be like, okay, look, at the end of this month, you'll need to have gained 2 pounds. You need to be following a diet every day. You need to check in using the app. If you're stuck on anything, if you're going into the gym after you've been with us and you're unsure, you can send us a video. We are there for you. We are here for you. We'll put you into a WhatsApp group. We've got like-minded people also on the same journey as you. You can all put up your form. You can help each other. It's about learning, helping, educating each other. Okay, it's a journey. It's an epic journey. You're going to be with people who are like-minded, who are also going to partake in the same journey, pushing each other, create a good, happy atmosphere. Instead of going into the big commercial gyms where it's just not a nice atmosphere. There's a lot of competition, a lot of bad competition. Here, there's lots of good competition. I'm overseeing everything. I'm making sure you're doing everything properly. You'll really, really enjoy and benefit from this program. So in the email, you should have received your pricing structure, okay? And this is valued at, it will say on the email, the breakdown of the pricing. This is valued at 1,700 quid, 1,800 pounds, if not more. Personal trainers, as you know, if you don't know, I will tell you, personal trainers of our caliber charge £50 an hour just for one session, okay? We've done it, so it's a lot less than that, okay? We have done it so it's open and everyone can attend these sessions at an affordable price. We are giving you 7, 8 years of time and mistakes rolled up into a 16-week package. We're ensuring you and promising you progression at the end of 16 weeks, but it shouldn't even be about the money, because you need to remember the end result is the fact that you've achieved something which you never thought you can achieve alone. You've got confidence, you've got shape, you've got faster metabolism. If you're a man, you've put on an incredible amount of strength in 16 weeks. You've been able to learn how to do it safely. If, on the contrary, you're doing it yourself, you'll waste 5, 6 years learning the process. You'll make so many mistakes, as many around you have done. You won't turn up to the gym. You might do a week or 2 weeks, whereas you've paid us for 16 weeks. You need to turn up for these 16 weeks, and that's the truth. You need to check in. We'll be on your case if you've missed a workout, if you've not been in. You need to go into the gym. You need to come see us. If you've not turned up, we'll be on your case. You need to make sure your nutrition's on point. We're doing so much behind the scenes, including making this presentation to explain to you the process and how it works, that you need to please respect us for what we are, your coaches. We want the best for you. As long as you're giving us 100%, please be prepared to come to us with a mindset that you're going to turn up to every lesson. If you give it 100% during the 16 weeks, we promise you an epic result, okay? And if you don't get to the target, what we set at the start, we'll work with you free of charge until you get there. Please remember your end result. And this is exactly why you've come to us. When you put that t-shirt on, when you're on holiday, when you're at home, when you're at a party and you put on them clothes, you feel the shape, you see the shape, you feel the strength. It's just worth it. So we look forward to working with you.